Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a car that's making waves for all the right reasons, the 2026 Karmann Ghia. Yes, the iconic name is back, and it's bringing classic style into the modern era with a mix of retro charm and cutting-edge engineering. If you're a fan of beautifully designed cars with soul and performance, stick around, this one's going to be worth your time. At first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is a stunner. The design pays homage to the original with those smooth, flowing curves and a low, elegant stance. It's a coupe that doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. The wide front grille, LED headlamps shaped like the original teardrop design, and chrome accents give it a nostalgic vibe while feeling undeniably modern. The rear end is just as gorgeous, with slim LED taillights and a subtle integrated spoiler that gives it a sporty look without overdoing it. You can tell every line and angle was crafted with purpose, and that purpose is turning heads wherever you go. Under the hood, the 2026 Karmann Ghia offers two distinct powertrains. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, pushing out 240 horsepower, mated to either a 6-speed manual or a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic. It's lively, responsive, and surprisingly efficient. But if you want something a bit more exhilarating, there's the all-electric Ghia E line. This one delivers 320 horsepower through dual motors and an all-wheel drive setup. It rockets from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. Not bad for a car that also manages over 300 miles of range on a single charge. Regenerative braking, adaptive suspension, and multiple drive modes make both versions fun in the corners and comfortable on long drives. It's the kind of car that reminds you driving should be enjoyable, not just practical. Inside, the Karmann Ghia doesn't disappoint. The cabin is a mix of classic simplicity and modern luxury. You get a curved digital instrument cluster that blends seamlessly into a 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment display. The software is snappy and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, trimmed in brushed aluminum and real wood, depending on the package you choose. The seats are leather-wrapped and deeply bolstered for comfort and support, even on spirited drives. Rear seats are more symbolic than practical, but that's expected in a coupe of this style. What really stands out is the attention to detail, ambient lighting, soft-touch materials everywhere, and even analog-inspired toggle switches that give a tactile, vintage feel without sacrificing tech. In terms of safety and convenience, the 2026 Ghia is equipped with everything you'd expect from a modern car. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system are all standard. Optional features include a heads-up display, self-parking, and even semi-autonomous highway driving assist. Now let's talk price. The gas-powered Ghia starts at around $39,000, which is surprisingly competitive considering the style, performance, and features on offer. The fully loaded E-Line version, with all-wheel drive and extended range, comes in closer to $52,000, still a solid value when compared to EVs in the same class. There are a few optional packages like the Heritage trim, which adds retro exterior touches and vintage-inspired upholstery, but even fully spec'd out, the Ghia stays under $60,000. So, is the 2026 Karmann Ghia worth your attention? Absolutely. It's a rare blend of nostalgic design and forward-thinking innovation. Whether you're a fan of the classic original or just someone who loves unique, beautiful cars, the new Ghia delivers on almost every front, from aesthetics and tech to performance and value. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you'd take the gas version or the electric one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth car reviews coming your way.